Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, remote engine start, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, tachometer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.